I'm going to show you step by step how I create my newsletters in MailChimp. This is going to be raw. This is going to be just real. Probably see some messy desktop and some messy Canva templates, but you're going to see the raw, real version. Okay, so first thing I do is log into MailChimp, obviously, and I am going to go to my previous campaigns. And I don't create a new newsletter every single week. I replicate the previous ones and just go off of that. So I'm going to use this one here, newsletter from 11/12, and I'm going to hit replicate. So now first thing I'm going to do is edit the name. So it's going to be newsletter. I'm going to do 12/3/21, and this is going to be giveaway for tutorial channel. Now this is real behind the scenes of what I'm going through. Okay, context will stay the same. Freedom in a budget, that's who it's from. Subject, so this is going to be, let's see, we're going to do this for announcing a giveaway. So the subject, I'm going to do giving away 4 Amazon gift cards. And then Freedom in the Budget newsletter, save. Okay, so then that's done. I have a preview text of Freedom in a Budget newsletter. Now we're going to edit the design. So edit design. All right, so here is last week's newsletter, and I'm going to work off of this. So what I'm going to do is click into the text here, and then the text this is the preview of what it looks like, but then I'm going to be doing the editing here. Okay, so I'm going to change this to Happy Friday and December. All right. So the last time I announced my gender reveal, so I'm going to take all of this away, and I'm going to talk about my giveaway. So let's see here. Now this is just raw, real, me typing away, and I don't have this pre-planned. I don't have any like scripted out. It's just going to be, you're going to see my real unscripted thoughts. So we're going to go in the spirit of the holidays. I am hosting a, we'll take away this O, a giveaway. Giveaway to 4 winners. $25 Amazon gift cards. As you know, I am building my scenes on my second YouTube channel for entrepreneurs with Kelly Ann Smith. And I can never spell entrepreneur correctly. This channel. That's how the baby comes. What means where to go to hit subscribers and 4 hours of watch time, but I am let's see. Here's how to enter. Subscribe to, just paste this here. Watch a video all the way through. And 3, comment on the video. Then I'm going to add an image. So I'm going to go to Canva, and I have the image here that I created. So it's just giveaway, 4 winners, $25 Amazon, blah, blah, blah. All right, so I'm going to download this as I'm going to do it as a JPEG just because it's smaller and it won't slow down the email as fast or as much. All right, so we got that downloaded there. So now we can insert it here so I'm going to go to insert image, upload. It is in my downloads as I use something else to make it beach quote is what it's titled, beach quote. All right, so then I always make the images 300 by 300, and then I am going to go to YouTube and pull up that tutorial channel so I can grab the link. Okay, so here's the tutorial channel. So now I'm going to link it to the channel for them. So if they click on the image, it's going to go right to the channel. Then what I'm also going to do is going to make this all black font and then highlight these and make them clickable. I still have my tutorial channel pasted. Open a new tab. Always open in a new tab. And I'll just say good luck. All right, so that's done there. All right, do I want to, previously I had these printables here. I think I want to take them out. It just is looking a little bulky right now. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to take them out. Okay. So I'm just going to then go up and erase these. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this next section. Here are my newest videos and blogs. So now I'm going to go to the videos of the week. So I'm going to go to my channel, go to YouTube Studio, and go to content. And then I'm going to look at when my last one was Color Bomb and Crashback. So I want to add all the videos from here on up. This is a lot of videos. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just open a new tab for these. I typically open all the tabs at once just to make it a little easier. Honestly, I'm not even going to include Black Friday just because I didn't do a newsletter last week because it was Thanksgiving week. So we're not going to do the Black Friday one because Black Friday started and Cyber Monday's already come and gone. So then I'm going to pull the link here. This one is set to go out tomorrow. I still have some more tweaking to do, but it's uploaded on my channel. Okay, paste those site. Okay, so I can close out of that one. Next one is 5 ways being prepared saves money. Just add all of the links for these. Okay, next I'm going to do blogs of the week. So I'm going to close out of YouTube and go to my website, freedominthebudget.com, and I'm going to add the blogs. So let me see, the last one that I put up was, the last one was October 2021 side hustle. So That is this one. So I'm going to do this one, open a new tab, November side hustle. Okay, so just 2 blogs this week. So I'm going to start with November. Let's see. Change out the link. Okay. Then I'm going to do this wealth management one. Wealth management tips for millennials. Grab the link. Whoa, hello. Don't do that. Let's try that again. Sometimes if I go too fast, it doesn't save it. Okay, freebies, that's the same. New in the Freedom in a Budget shop. I have added a couple items. So let's go to my shop. Only added printables, no new templates. So I'm going to go to sort by latest. All right, and last thing I have is save what you spend challenge. So I've added a Christmas budget, emergency fund savings tracker, and a house savings tracker. We're going to upload these 3. So I'm going to get rid of those. What did I just do? Sometimes the formatting changes a little bit, so I just like to keep the same formatting to make it consistent. Christmas budget. Next is emergency fund. Printable. And then house savings. Okay, new on my second channel. I'm turn off the volume for this because actually I'll do it this way. We will go into my second channel. Switch account, tutorials for entrepreneurs. Go into studio. All right, so we have business budget, how to add. I'm not going to add my short just because that's super quick. Workflow, what was the last one I did? Oh, it's a while back. Okay. Workflow. Let me see. We're just going to stick with those. I don't want to do too many. So let's see. We'll start with this one. Because you don't want to overwhelm them. Delete that. Copy. Add the link. Next we will do how much I made on a video talking about why I no longer follow Dave Ramsey. This was a juicy one. Very, very juicy. People loved this video. And we'll do how to add a shop announcement in Etsy. Because it is a tutorial channel. Add the link. See, it's very time consuming, but it's okay. We have time. All right, Patreon has stayed the same. But before that, I'm going to do this. I'm just going to copy this test and podcast I was featured on. I was on a podcast this past week, so that was exciting. So it was on the Fi Show, and I'm going to go the Fi Show, and the title is Turning Budgeting into a Business. We'll just do that part. This was exciting. This was a fun interview. And then link it. Okay, so we've got Patreon there. Patreon, second YouTube channel. I'll actually do these now. So, my online business ideas. And then down here, I have ways to save money. These can all pretty much stay the same. Honest. Bloom. Yeah, that's fine. Besto. Besto, I am no longer using them. They did not renew their contract. And then the link is going to be freedominantbudget.com/ladder. Just make sure it works. It does. Okay, perfect. So this we can just link here. All right. That is how we are. We are looking good. Let's save and close this. We can do preview and send a test email to freedomandbudget@gmail.com. Perfect. All right, so here we are in my email. So test giveaway for Amazon gift cards. Then Friday, December. Happy Friday in December. I just want to make sure that these links work. So when you click them, it opens into a new tab. Perfect. That one works as well. Let's check this image. Image works as well. Freedom Budget Roundup. Looks good, looks good. The Fi Show. Okay. All I want to change here is just the Fi Show. Just want to make this a black font. Okay, so now we can go save and close, continue. All right, so now we have it all set to go. And you know what, I am going to add emoji. I like adding emojis to like kind of catch people's attention in the subject line. So I am going to do, I kind of want like a celebrating one. Let's see, this is the website emojicopy.com. I love this site. Where is the one that I want? Here it is, this one. So then it's going to bring it up there and we just hit copy. And then I'm going to edit the subject and add it to the beginning and the end. And hit save. All right, then we can hit schedule. And this is going to be scheduled for tomorrow, Friday at 10 o'clock a.m. So if you're on my email list, you're going to see this email. Schedule campaign. Rock on. All right, and that is how you do a campaign in MailChimp. So it is scheduled and ready to go. And then as you can see, we can see past stats, open rates, all that stuff right there. So there we go. Super exciting. Let me know if you have any questions, if you found this helpful, what other tutorials you'd like me to make. Comment down below.